Are you an entrepreneur or business owner looking for ways to increase the business cash flow? Well, you're at the right place. Go grab your pen and paper, then let's begin.
Bear in mind, conditions apply. All grants have specific deadlines. For more information, please visit our website at www.mycoachministry.com. Scan this QR code now and begin.
Thank you so much for staying with me so far. Now it's time for us to go over to our funding. We're going to go over to, I got these, you got name tags for the bottles. Isn't that cute? Yeah. Anyway, now it's time for us to go through the funding to let you know what funding opportunities are available for April. And of course, as I said to you before, every single month I have this funding blog, and every month I update it with fresh set of funding opportunities that are available for entrepreneurs, business owners, project managers, people who are looking for opportunities for funding, money for your business, for your project, for whatever it is you have going on. And these funding that's available, we have funding that are global funding, then we have state specific in the United States, state specific funding, and then we also have some funding for the United Kingdom and so on. I think I'm going to share with you the ones for the United Kingdom, Canada, and Ireland. I think something like that. Those ones I'm going to share with you today. But if you go to the blog, you'll see the list of all of them. Last time I think I went through all the global funding, and now today I'm just going to go through some of the country specific funding. Okay, we're not going to go through the US state specific today. I think I'll do that for the next episode, but I'm going to be going through the other countries for today. So let's just go through that now. All right, so first let's go to Canada specific. So we have Canada specific opportunities. We have the Amber grants, and there's a $15 application fee, but you can get up to must be a woman-owned business or non-profit in the US or Canada. 3 10,000 Amber grants are awarded each month, okay? 3 of the 36 monthly winners get an additional 25,000 year-end Amber grant. So that's something to check out. Okay, so today I'm only going to focus on the Canada one today. I've already told you about the Amber grants. There's a $15 application, and there are 3 $10,000 Amber grants awarded each month. And 3 of those 36 monthly winners get an additional 25,000 year-end Amber grant. Then the Black Innovation Launchpad, as I told you before, it's a free virtual skills development platform focused on building the next generation of Black entrepreneurs. Then the BMO Community Giving Grant. BMO has a long history of supporting registered charities and nonprofit organizations. Funding applications are accepted online and are considered if you have a program or project that aligns with their focus areas and meets their eligibility criteria. The deadline is there on the website, as you can see on the screen, as well as if you go to the website, you also see the link to get more information on that. The Chick-fil-A True Inspiration Awards grants range from $30,000 to $350,000, with a collective $6 million awarded annually to non-profit organizations throughout the United States and Canada, Puerto Rico, the United Kingdom, and Singapore. Application deadlines for submission is May 1st, 2025. Funding up to $350,000, right? So we're telling you this in April, so you catch it before May. Then you have the Code Launch Canada, right? Code Launch Canada is for startups with founders or co-founders who are Canadian-based only. This will be our 23rd startup competition and our second time back in Toronto. Check out our Canada event recap for last year. Startup founders will have the opportunity to win at least $50,000 in investment capital and additional tens of thousands in in-kind seed services, such as software and product development. Apps open. The applications open February 16 and closes this month, the 13th of April, this month. And then you have the Corralus, right? Designed to leverage all forms of capital that have laid dormant in traditional structures, undervalued for decades. There is no fee to apply as a venture. So that's that one, right? So, and again, go to the website, mycoachministry.com // blog. All the of what I'm talking about, the links are there for more information. Now, the Dragon's Den auditions, applications are open for season 20. They will start contacting select applicants in April 2025 to, that's this month. I'm so sorry. Let me read that again. They will start contacting select applicants in early 2025 to schedule an audition. Applicants must be based in Canada to be considered for the show. Then you have Innovate Canada Grant, which provides Canada's image-guided therapy industry and academic institutions with targeted non-dilutive fund for commercialization-focused R&D projects involving the integration of artificial intelligence into IGT technologies. Funding of $150,000. Apply by this month, April 2. Okay, all right. And then the next one now is Launchpad for women entrepreneurs. Launchpad for women entrepreneurs is designed to empower early stage women entrepreneurs interprovincially by offering dedicated resources to kickstart and grow a successful business. Program is available via its on-demand self-paced learning platform nationally or through in-person sessions across Ontario, Alberta, British Columbia, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia. TELUS Canadian Community Board grant is a Friendly Future Foundation. The TELUS Friendly Future Foundation is pleased to announce its grant program that support local grassroots community-based health and education programs that help youth reach their full potential in Canada. Funding of up to $20,000. Apply by April 11. That's this month. The final one now for Canada is the Tidal Empowerment Program. The program offers 10 selected businesses and opportunity to receive comprehensive consulting on strategy, marketing, operations, and technology worth $25,000 and a promotional technology bundle to help with implementation. Now, guys, my entrepreneurs, these are some of the funds, the top opportunities, the funding opportunities for April that I just shared with you. Those were Canada specific. However, on the blog, this article, it has over 100 grants, resources, and opportunities for businesses globally in Canada and in the United States. We also have for UK and all of those. So if you come here, you see those. It's just that today in this episode, I'm sharing with you the Canada specific. Okay, so each episode I go into details, into the different sections because it's a lot. I can't share all of it in one episode. So thank you for listening. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you're going to check it out and give it a shot. As an entrepreneur, I like to just apply, even if I don't win all of them, because sometimes I do land on those that I actually succeed with. So I think as entrepreneurs, we need to get into the habit of seeking support in our business. So I just want to say thank you to you for today. Wow. So I just want to say thank you so much for staying with me, for being here with me, for watching, for following, for participating. Please remember to like and share and subscribe, and please leave a comment. Let me know if this is helpful to you. Let me know if you have a question. How can I support you? Let me know. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to our episode 8. I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I'm so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.